Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your JLab headset to your Android phone. This is somewhat easy to do. Let's swipe down from the top right and go to settings right here and scroll on down to Bluetooth. Now make sure Bluetooth is turned on and then you go to the scan option right here to refresh this and go to your JLab headset. Now we can maybe try just opening up the case and going to refresh and see if we can get it to pop up. But if you do take these out, you're going to see there's a blinking light on them now. So you can see JLab Go is showing up on here. There is a small blinking light on, I think this one. So you can see it right here. Just go to JLab Go Pop BLE, go to pair. And then we can try putting this into our ear just to see if they're connected. So you can see they are connected right here. We can go to YouTube now and we can try it out. Well, if we go back to settings here, if you want to disconnect them at any point in time, maybe you're trying to connect them to a different device, you can go to the arrow and we can allow this allow access to contacts and call history, and then you can go to on pair right there. Well, hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.